With a population of almost 50 billion people on Earth, a great number of people are born every day. And, on the other hand, there are people dying from old age or illnesses. Why does one age? Is there a possibility of living longer without contracting an illness? Scientists have put in a lot of effort into resolving this aging puzzle a long time ago, and now they have arrived at the solution to some extent. Alkaline water may be one of the answers to that puzzle. Modern science has revealed that the cause of aging is far more simple than what we thought. It's been said that the cause of aging is in our food. Almost 99% of the components of food we consume every day is composed of carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen, and only 1% is minerals. Minerals are divided into two substances, alkaline minerals and acidic minerals. Alkaline minerals in food are turned into alkaline waste after digestion. Food containing a vast amounts of alkaline minerals, for example, are seaweed, ginger, mushroom, peas, spinach and bananas. Whereas acidic minerals in food are turned into acidic waste after digestion. Food containing plenty of acidic minerals, for example, are rice, egg yolk, chicken, wheat, lamb and beef. These wastes produced from food are highly acidic and one of the main contributors that leads to the aging process and various illnesses. Acidic waste is excreted from the human body in the form of urine or sweat. But the waste not excreted will be circulating along with blood vessels within the body. This acidic waste will gradually accumulate somewhere in our capillary blood vessels and eventually clog them up. Leading from this, the cells of a human body will be deprived of the supply of oxygen and nutrients, rendering these cells inactive in reproduction. That's the reason why people age. Moreover, with the capillary blood vessels clogged up, the function of every organ in the human body accumulating acidic waste will begin to deteriorate, causing serious illnesses in the long run. Well, when does the accumulation of age-contributing acidic waste begin? Scientists say that aging begins when a child starts to wean. An unborn child lives on nutrients from his mother while in the womb, and the body of a baby starts becoming alkaline owing to the consumption of alkaline minerals. Naturally, this is also due to the intake of alkaline minerals from his mother. By supplying large amounts of alkaline minerals to her baby, the mother's body also rapidly turns acidic. This shortage of alkaline minerals during pregnancy will quickly weaken the mother's body, causing her to start losing her appetite. As long as a baby consumes mother's milk, his or her body will remain alkaline, but acidifies fast once put on instant cereals. The reason being, cereals are a type of food that acidify the body. Acidification worsens as a baby grows, with large amounts of acidic waste accumulating in the body due to daily diets that are acidic. In today's living environment, people come into contact with polluted water and air and suffer stress, which significantly produces acidic wastes. They also suffer from various illnesses brought on by the rapid aging process that originates from these wastes. Isn't there any fundamental solution to aging and these illnesses? If the cause of aging lies in acidic waste, then the answer to longer life must lie in eliminating such acidic waste. Hence, to neutralize acidic meals, alkaline water could be the answer. Most doctors recommend a vegetarian diet as alkaline minerals in vegetables help neutralize acidic waste. But what they don't know is that vegetables only contain a very small amount of alkaline minerals, and that is why a larger quantity of vegetables has to be consumed in order to neutralize acidic waste in the body. Taking substantial amounts of water is another way to neutralize an acidic human body. An American cancer center showed tremendous improvements in their cancer therapy by getting 1,000 patients to drink 7 glasses of natural water a day. Their research concluded that alkaline minerals in natural water of pH 7.5 neutralizes acidic waste and thus helps to prevent cancer. Even though vegetables and natural water contain only a small amount of alkaline minerals, its therapeutic effects are miraculously high. Therefore, how effective is alkaline water containing a high level of alkaline minerals? Water, the origin of life, consists of 2 parts, hydrogen, and 1 part, oxygen. Alkaline water is water which contains a larger amount of oxygen as compared to hydrogen. By drinking alkaline water, we obviously increase our intake of oxygen compared to drinking plain water. The advantage of alkaline water is that while being absorbed by the body, it helps neutralize acidic waste, making them more soluble in the blood vessels. Thus, acidic waste will then be easily drained out of the body in the form of urine or sweat. That is why alkaline water is well known as a remedy for many illnesses. Many illnesses may be caused by acidic waste not drained out, accumulating in the major organs of the human body. This is when they start to degenerate their surrounding cells. There are 3 types of illnesses caused mainly by acidic waste. First, osteoporosis, caused by solidified acidic waste in the body. Second, solidified acidic waste that affects joints and organs can result in the raising of cholesterol, kidney ailment, arthritis, and gout. Third, the capillary blood vessel will gradually be clogged up with solidified acidic waste, causing the major organs of a body to be deprived of sufficient quantities of blood and nutrients. This can cause diabetes, kidney ailment, hypotension, cancer, and other diseases. While the normal cells of the human body degenerate and acidic waste accumulates, cancer, one of the major illnesses in the world, will make a generic transformation and keep propagating itself in order to survive in such acidic surroundings. There have been two theories on the basic causes of cancer. One is the oxygen deficiency theory by a German biochemist, Dr. Warbach, and the other is the theory of acidic cells by a Japanese doctor, Dr. Airashi. Dr. Warbach insists that if oxygen is removed from a healthy cell, the cell will start to turn cancerous. Dr. Warbach won the Nobel Prize by proving this theory through his many experiments. On the other hand, Dr. Airashi says that alkaline healthy cells are normally rendered inactive in places where acidic waste accumulates. But in certain cases, some cells remain alive, and cancer starts right there. Even though cancer cells are eliminated entirely through an operation, they reoccur because the acidic surrounding still remains after the operation. At the same time, the cells of the human body try to remedy this circumstance by turning them into cancer cells. So, to prevent this situation, we should stop the accumulation of acidic waste by drinking alkaline water every day. When acidic waste accumulates in the pancreas, it can cause diabetes due to lack of insulin in the body, and this deteriorates the functions of the pancreas. Doctors say that symptoms of diabetes appear mainly in people above 40, with no symptoms of diabetes in their 20s. How do they differ from each other? In general, the quantity of accumulated acidic waste after the age of 40 is far more compared to those in their 20s, especially in the pancreas. Nevertheless, we can help overcome diabetes if we flush out the acidic waste from our body during our youth by drinking alkaline water. Many other illnesses can be overcome in the same way. Hypertension is a common illness that occurs due to two reasons. One is that hypertension occurs due to clogged capillary vessels caused by physical reasons, or narrowed blood vessels generated by acidic waste. Thus, blood pressure has to be higher naturally in order to supply sufficient quantities of blood through the narrowed vessels. The other reason is because of the lack of oxygen due to chemical reasons, namely solidified acidic waste in the vessels. Hypotension occurs due to the deteriorating function of the heart muscles from the lack of calcium ions caused by acidic waste. A patient with hypotension can regain his health by constantly drinking alkaline water. This is because calcium ions in alkaline water are able to directly restore the heart's activities or stimulate the activities of calcium ions. One of the major functions of alkaline water is also to purify waste in the body. The accumulation of excessive waste in the kidney will cause the occurrence of kidney ailment. When cells survive in an excessive acidic environment, swelling of the kidney occurs. This hampers the normal functions of the kidneys, leading to kidney ailment. In order to ensure the proper functioning of the human body, cells should expel all waste produced by them. But if blood in the vessels becomes acidic, the waste will cling to the walls of the cell, causing solidification of acidic chloride in the kidneys to occur and form kidney stones. Human bones function as a calcium bank in the body. Bones supply all the calcium needs of the body. A combination of calcium and phosphorus, bones stay healthy as long as there is adequate amounts of these two substances. To neutralize excessive quantities of waste, the body starts to deprive the bones of calcium, which may be harmful to the body. Symptoms of calcium deficiency are not evident through X-ray examinations and is only visible when 30% to 40% of calcium in the bone is drained. Gout also happens when acidic waste accumulates in the capillary blood vessels of hands and legs. Normally, gout will occur in toe joints, knee joints, and finger joints, and even generate severe pain when the weather changes. Drinking alkaline water is one of the best ways to treat gout. In a seminar on water, health and illnesses, Dr. Choi, a medical practitioner at the Seoul National Medical University, confirmed that the effects of alkaline water were both a scientific fact as well as a medical fact. Observing 15 patients, comprising 10 men and 5 women, who were suffering from constipation for more than a year, results showed that the symptoms of constipation were alleviated by drinking alkaline water for a period of 1 to 2 weeks. 12 out of 15 patients recovered remarkably well after this period. So, Dr. Choi concluded that there was a remarkable improvement after drinking alkaline water, and all the patients who were taking alkaline water were becoming more alert. This is true because lubricating waste secreted on the walls of the large intestine helps excretion become a lot easier. If there is bad blood circulation in the large intestine due to a large amount of acidic waste, then constipation occurs because there is a lack of lubricating substances. When we suffer from stress, our body produces more acidic waste. Physical stress can be relieved by getting good rest. Nowadays, however, most of us hardly have enough time to release mental stress. In fact, continued long-term stress will create harmful problems like instant headaches, mental disorder, bad temper, unbalanced hormone excretion, etc. There are two kinds of stress. One is physical stress caused by physical activities, and the other mental stress caused by mental fatigue. A hangover produces side effects like severe thirst or a headache owing to the remains of alcohol not dissolved in the liver. This can be very harmful to our health. If we take alkaline water containing substantial amounts of alkaline minerals, we will eventually feel comfortable, especially after drinking alcohol, because the alkaline minerals neutralize acidic waste in the blood. This shows that alkaline water not only lowers the alcohol level in the body, it also helps the body become more alkaline. All the reasons for aging and becoming ill seem to lie in the accumulation of acidic waste. After digestion, food not absorbed by the body turns to acidic waste. This acidic waste solidifies and accumulates almost everywhere in the body, and, if not drained out, will enhance the course of aging. The beginning of illnesses are due to accumulative acidic waste resulting in poor blood circulation and the improper function of organs caused by the lack of oxygen and nutrients. This helps create all illnesses. The key to a healthy life may lie in alkaline water, which neutralizes acidic waste and safely drains it out from the body. Generally, alkaline water is used to prevent a variety of illnesses, like cancer, hypertension, hypotension, diabetes, kidney ailment, gout, diarrhea, constipation, obesity, headaches, skin disease, skin allergy, and asthma, all caused by the formation and accumulation of acidic waste. As we all know, healthy cells are alkaline and cancer cells are acidic. Alkalinity is the only way to neutralize acidic waste. From this simple principle, scientists have found the secret to the mystery of life. And that secret is to drink alkaline water. This mysterious water, alkaline water, not only helps prevent many forms of illnesses, but also delays the aging process by neutralizing the body. So enjoy the secrets of long life. Just drink alkaline water.